Welcome to Mastering the User Interface of CATIA V5, a comprehensive guide. In this video, we will take you through the essential features of CATIA V5, one of the world's leading CAD software. So, let's get started. First, let's explore the main toolbar at the top of the screen. This toolbar provides quick access to various functions such as creating new files, opening existing ones, saving your work, and more. Familiarize yourself with these buttons as they are fundamental to your workflow. Moving on to the main section of the screen, you will find different workbenches that specialize in various aspects of design. To switch between workbenches, simply click their respective icons on the left side of the screen. Each workbench offers unique tools and functions, allowing you to tailor your workspace to your specific needs. Now, let's focus our attention on the command toolbar. Situated below the main toolbar, this toolbar houses powerful tools that enable you to create, modify, and analyze your designs. Mastering these tools will greatly enhance your efficiency and productivity in CATIA V5. Next, we have the Specification Tree, located on the left side of the screen. This tree provides a hierarchical view of all the components in your design. You can easily navigate through your model, manage its structure, and make changes as needed. Lastly, we have the 3D viewer, which occupies the majority of the screen. Here, you can visualize your design in 3D, rotate, zoom, and analyze it from various perspectives. The 3D viewer allows you to interact with your model and evaluate it from different angles. Congratulations! You have just completed an overview of the CATIA V5 user interface. By familiarizing yourself with these key elements, you are now ready to embark on your CATIA V5 journey. Remember, practice makes perfect. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more CATIA V5 tutorials and tips.